Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the infotainment system. Turn the key to ACC or press the start button once so the display wakes. Once done, tap Phone or Settings on the touchscreen to reach Bluetooth options. This avoids hunting through steering controls. Make sure your phone is unlocked and Bluetooth is visible so the system can show paired devices. You do this now because the head unit needs an active state and the phone must respond for removal confirmation. Quick Prep prevents timeouts. You navigate the paired devices list and find the device name you want to remove. Names often show the phone model. Next, select that entry and choose Delete, Remove, or Forget. Honda menus vary by year, but the action is the same. When the system asks for confirmation, accept it. This step severs the bonding keys so the phone won't auto-reconnect. Make sure you wait for the on-screen success message or check that the device disappears from the list before proceeding. You finish by verifying the device is gone and then restart the infotainment if necessary. Turn the car off for 10 seconds and power back on to clear caches. If the device still shows, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the Honda pairing from the phone side, because some bonds persist until both sides forget each other. If problems persist, do a soft reset of the head unit as described in the manual to clear stale pairings. This usually resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.